Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your BMW Z4. First, let's ensure your vehicle is ready to go. Always make sure your Z4 is in park or neutral before attempting to start it. For added safety, confirm the parking brake is engaged. Lastly, double-check that all doors are securely closed. Next, grab your BMW Z4 key fob. Insert it fully into the designated ignition slot. With the key in place, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. Now, locate the Start/Stop button, typically found on your dashboard, ready for the next step. With the key inserted and your foot on the brake, press the Start/Stop button once. You should hear the engine turn over and start smoothly. As the engine comes to life, quickly observe your dashboard for any unusual warning lights. If everything looks good, you're almost ready to drive. Now that your BMW Z4 is running, it's time to get moving. Release the parking brake, then select either drive or reverse, depending on your destination. Remember to check your mirrors and surroundings before pulling away. For more great tips and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.